Welcome to the template, the MS Word template for writing graduate research papers at Trinity Evangelical Divinity School. This is an introductory tutorial where I introduce you to some of the function of the template, and at the same time I hope it helps you get started using it. So let's open up the template. And I just want to point out first of all that all of the settings in the template, that is all of the formatting that includes page margins, footnotes, page numbers on the different pages of the chapters, everything is set up according to the TIU style guide, and I have submitted this to the document fellow in the library who has given his approval. So everything should be as it needs to be in order to meet the requirements of the school. Of course, I'm sure there are still some mistakes in it, but if you find anything, let me know and I will try to correct that right away. In fact, in order to let me know, the best way to do that is to go to our website, www.toddjana.com, and you can find some tutorials that I have on this page, but also you can find the post called Dissertation Template Download. You can do a search for that. You can click on the MS Word tag in one of the posts or in the tag cloud, and you'll be able to find this Dissertation Template Download post, which is a permanent location for the template. If you go to that post, you can leave a comment in the comments. If you found an error, if you have a question, if you want to request a tutorial, anything of that nature you can leave there, and I will get to that usually the same day or at least as soon as I can. So back to the template. As I said, everything is set up. What I want to point out now is how styles work. The styles are preset formatting for things like body text or normal text within the document, for the different headings, for block quotations, for bibliography. Every single thing, every single kind of formatting that you can have in the document has a style that has been assigned to it. So in this case, this is the chapter number style. You can see it. This is the ribbon of MS Word 2007. This is the Home tab and the Styles group. You can see here that the chapter number style has been highlighted. And so anytime I want to take some text and assign the chapter number style to it, all I have to do is click on that style. Fortunately, in a lot of cases, you won't even need to do that, because as you might have noticed in this case, here it's chapter number style, but when I hit return, the style automatically changes because the chapter number style is always followed by the chapter title style. So I can type in the title of my chapter and then hit enter, and now the style converts automatically to the body text style. So I can type in the body, some text into the body, and just continue writing my document that way. But now suppose I want to insert a block quotation, then I just look for block text in the style group, click on that, and now this is block text, and you can tell it doesn't look any different right now, but it's single spaced and it's indented the same on every line. So that really is all there is to it to getting started. You don't have to know anything about formatting for now, or setting up chapters, because it will do it automatically for you. But I will have some additional tutorials on how to start a new chapter, how to change the styles or modify the styles, and if you're interested in those, you can find those at www.toddjana.com. I hope that